I'm Chef Carol, and today I'm going to make keto cheesy pork fried rice. To do this, I have measured out 500 grams of cauliflower that's been riced, 250 grams of ground pork, 2 cloves of garlic, 50 grams of cheese, 30 milligrams of heavy whipping cream, or 2 tablespoons, 100 grams of chopped peppers, I used red, 200 grams of baby spinach, a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of olive oil, and here I have a mix of a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of paprika, quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. I'm also going to add a small bit of onion. You could use a spring onion. I'm just going to use a regular yellow onion. If you like, you can also add to this chopped olives. I won't be doing that. And I also have some chopped parsley there. So let's get to it. I'm going to start by cooking the rice cauliflower with a tablespoon of butter in a very large non-stick pan. While that's cooking, I'm also going to cook the pork using a tablespoon of avocado oil. While the pork is cooking, I'm going to be breaking it up to make sure it stays in small pieces. After that, I'm going to add the garlic to the pan. Then I'm going to season the pork with this mixture of spices. Then I'll add in the bell peppers and I'll add in the cooked cauliflower. I'll give it a good mix, and after that, I will add in the cheese, the heavy cream, the parsley, and the onion, and give that a good mix. And if you like, you can add the chopped olives and give it a final good mix, and you can garnish it with fresh Parmesan and parsley. So right now I'm going to go and cook the cauliflower and the pork. The pork has cooked, so what I'm going to do now is add the garlic to the pork. Just going to give it a little stir. Next, I'm going to add the seasoning mix into the pork. At this point, add the spinach into cauliflower. I'm going to add the red pepper into the pork mix. I'm looking for the spinach to start to wilt. I'm going to just add in the sausage mix into the cauliflower and the spinach mix. Next, I'm going to add in the heavy cream, add in the onion, and I'm going to add in the cheese. fresh parsley. And that is our keto cheesy pork fried rice. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. This is slightly spicy, stir-fried delicious, and I will definitely be making this again. And I'll see you soon.